Hey, Mr. Sid.
We're stopping for some nice vadas and idlis before we go for the events.
Yeah. Yeah, KDM. Prime Card Zone.
It's a very nice track.
It actually looks like a beautiful track.
Very nice, and it's got that extended curve part. Like,
Oh,
almost
hectic.
spot. Very
Yeah,
nice.
Kinkmaster.
Why do you have a big ass suit, Sid? Interesting contraption made by Mr. Millen. He's carrying chairs on his big ass, whatever the fuck this is, a rucksack.
This is what happens when you own an ADV bike, bro. You just learn how to pack shit. We have acquired a tree to park underneath because everything else is barren. They have also found a tree, but we have our own tree. Yeah.
Today we have practice rounds with all of the trainers of KTM, and after that we will have qualifiers tomorrow. So hoping that today goes well and we can practice well.
He's lying, we're actually going trekking. Mr. Sid, how do you like your off-roading suitcase? Curry is pretty hot, guys. It's damn hot. Mr. Leader Ninja, we see you. Shout out.
Yeah, let's go. Subin's made his arrivals. Hello boys. Hello.
Aim for the suitcase, okay? Aim for the suitcase.
Off you go, sir. Oh, it's recording, huh?
Already going out.
So, that's Curry in the distance. And, hey, there we go. The KTM 10s.
Sorry?
Entering registration process now. Thank God we got our indemnity form much before. We didn't have to go through. Aha. See Millen struggling.
Bro, I don't know what to do, bro. My mom normally fills the forms.
What a guy, bro. What a guy.
My doctor is a retard who signed 25th April 2025. 26, sorry.
Wow, man. Crazy. Wow.
He signed this from the future.
Doctor, what's his name? Good job, man. Crazy Subin. Man just disassembled all the chairs. Just sat off. And dropped one of your knee sliders also.
Firefox, bro. You can cycle very fast.
Right. Little bit of a surprise at Curry. Arwani boys, assemble. Ah, there we go. Killer boys are here.
Because I don't even know who you see. You and Sanjeev have the same suit and the same helmet.
He bought the Exxon red and white.
He already had it. He's not wearing it because he got a size M. He aims to fit into it.
Oh lol.
It's been 1 year.
Size
now.
M. Wow.
These are all the bikes right now.
Somebody would have put their foot like this, bro.
He's doing some assessment.
Nobody has crashed yet.
Subin has put Nazar.
Yes, this is going back.
This is gonna crash today. What number is this?
I'll get this bike.
Number 9. Subin has put Shani. Wow, what a fast man.
Hopefully. He's got prepared for it. Helmet moms. Helmet moms.
we'll just leave him. He won't take it back from me. Go home.
Machas coming just landed from
Danny P, no. Danny P, no. Correct. So we're heading in for our briefing right now.
Yes.
Mr. Subin.
And I'm not wearing green.
Wow. Crazy. We actually have a problem with orange and red, okay?
You're literally talking to the most colorblind motherfucker.
last guy because he's to flying around management here. Because our job is to take care of all the 6 riders, all the 16 riders.
It was a quick unload today due to unforeseen circumstances. The circumstances were actually completely foreseen. It's just that we chose to look the other way. As you can see.
Motomaster, who's Motomaster?
He's selling caps.
Okay, Bunny, come.
Can you help me lift this weight up?
Thompson's going to scan the phone. Subin is the mastermind.
Yes.
Very nice realization. Crazy. It's my phone actually.
Thompson looks like ready as ever. He's going to ride with Danny Pedrosa actually today. We did not mention, that's why he's bought a 790 and come. So how are you feeling about your experience, Mr. Thompson? Wonderful, huh? Crazy. Oh, it's a Mr. Leader Ninja himself. I was trying to look.
Anything yesterday? You guys came on time today.
Yeah. Vlog out at night. Today we are trying to be early. 360 no scope.
Let me do that. You can tell media.
Got the media right now. It's gonna be a fun personal media. Best.
Tag.
Huh?
+1. Guest is where?
Where? Oh.
Guest is other way.
So Thompson has been guested. How does it feel, Mr. Thompson? Worst case, just come through vagina. Yeah. No, he doesn't know where the vagina is. He'll figure it out, huh? Oh, they put up little more barricades here and there today. Back to spot. Peace. This is camp. Mr. APT Riz Point. Riz Point. Whoa. Fully lapsed him again.
Everyone tripping me over.
Huh? Yeah. He's a working man. How many dollars you made today, huh? How many dollars you made today?
Dollars.
Yeah.
Per hour 40.
Per hour 40. He's sponsoring our lunch today.
Who?
Mr. Sheikh.
Arrange everything behind.
So, Mr. Dhruvan,
Yes.
show me your official stick.
Yes, so this is the highlight of the day. I mean, look at it. Have you ever seen a more perfectly shaped stick? It's got silencer.
Yeah, it has a silencer on it.
So if I wanted to, what do you say, protect myself from a certain somebody with like an extreme.
So now instead of 2 blue
Very tough dude.
Malibus, make it 1 blue Malibu,
If he
2
wanted
winter
to,
coolers and 1
say,
this thing.
take away my manhood.
Okay, we have made our base. This is all our shit. Madam is out next. What are your thoughts, madam? Do you have butterflies or do you have elephants? She doesn't have anything. She just has a smile. Your girlfriend is very boring on camera, man.
I know.
What do you mean you know? Oh, auntie is also racing with suit. In her salwar kameez. BV in the house. We have Mr. What's his name? I forgot. It's the man, the myth, the legend.
Always watch your back. Always watch your back.
So last day at KTM Cup, didn't make it through the qualifying. So came here to see the final races at least, learn a little more from the pros and amateurs who did better than us, and take the game up. So yeah, let's have a fun last day at KTM Cup.
Off to a great start. Mr. Thompson is legal today. He's not an immigrant. He has his paperwork and his green card. He's on his thing. Our man is on his stretch. And yeah. Happened. He's almost naked.
And she is actual amateur racer. Mrs. Amulya, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Pitside Co.
Looks like you lost another one.
Where is this girl? She's here. So a little wider this time. Yeah, she's compensating for last lap. Wheelie मारो भैया wheelie wheelie भैया wheelie 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 भाई wheelie wheelie
Ready to Austria. Come on, everybody. It's once in a lifetime.
It's a wrap! It's a wrap! It's a wrap! How did you like the bikes on the track though, the 390?
The bikes were nice. Were nice. The 890 of course is very fast. More difficult.
What about our indigenous tires? The tires that we have over here.
These tires. Well, seems fine.
Up to your standards.
Of course, it's a bit more. It's a bit less grip.
Definitely.
But it's fine. It's
Good enough for this game. I don't know how you're
You mind if
managing
we
the
get a
heat.
photo?
The gate is strong and it's still early. So
Probably go back to your AC room.
You mind if we get a photo?
yes.
Both of us.